function we will see now. Differentiation of a function Okay, so in this, if dy dx of f composition of g of x is given. Now we have seen in the 11th standard f composition g of variable, how we can write this derivative as it is f of g of x. Okay, and we have solved examples also. We were having two functions fx and gx, and we have and f of x is x square plus 1. F of x is x square plus 1 and g of x is identity function. So how we can write f composition of g? It is equals to f of g of x. Now for this f function, g of x is the variable. So now we can use the g of x. What is g of x? It is identity function. So here we can write x. So f of x we are getting, and what was the function of x? It is okay. So here composition of f and g is x square plus 1. If g of x is x square, then f of x square will be there. So whatever the variable for the function x, now it will be replaced by x square. Get it? So now x variable square f of x, so it's variable square plus 1. Now here what will be there? Variable is x square, now it's square plus 1. So what is the composition? X raised to 4 plus 1. Getting? So now for this we have to differentiate. Now how we can differentiate the composite functions? Now student, see, derivative of f with respect to x, that is f dash. Now here variable, we can treat g of x as a variable. Then whatever the expression is there as a variable, then we are multiplying its derivative with the f dash, means derivative of f of g of x will be multiplied with the g dash of x, that is the derivative of g with respect to x. Getting? Now we'll see examples. I will write all examples now. Student, you tell me which should I take. All examples I will write. Log of sine x square first. Second one, e raised to.
Ma'am, please write the last formula again, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please write that last formula again. Ma'am, I couldn't note it down. Ma'am, you erased it.
Okay. d by dx of f of g of x is equals to f dash of g of x into g dash x. So e raised to sine of x square. Third one, sine of e raised to x square. Fourth, x square plus x plus 1 raised to 4. Fifth one, root x square plus x plus 1. Sixth one, sine cube x. Seventh is visible there? Yes, 7th we can write. 7th, 1 upon square root of a square minus x square. 8th, log of 6x. 9th, e raised to x sin x. 10th one, sine inverse of x cube 11th, sine inverse of A plus B cos X. You can write down these all questions, boys. We'll solve one by one. A plus B cos X, B plus A cos X. Here, B is strictly greater than A. Then 12th, e raised to x. E raised to x. Then 13, log to the base 7, log to the base 7x. 14, log 2 to the base x. 15, sec of log x. Now 16, log of tan of pi by 4 plus x. Okay. The last one, 17. Square root of, is it visible, 17th? Square root of log of sine of x square by 3 minus 1. Bracket complete. Sine bracket complete. Log of this bracket. Okay. So we have now this all 17. Now student, tell me which should I take? All I am going to take. Log of sine of x square. Now here the function, first function fx is log x, and then second function g of x is sine x square. And again, if g of x, we can write h composition with e function if we are taking. So two functions are there. One is sine function and one is square. E raised to sine x square. First function is exponential function e raised to x. Second function is sine x square. Okay. First function is sine function and second function is e raised to x square. Okay. Have you written all? Utkarsh?
I'm writing.
Okay. Shiva? Ajinkya?
It's not clear for me actually. It's very blurred, so I can't copy properly. So
Yes,
two
ma'am.
looks like an ant.
Okay. I will solve one by one then. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll note
Okay,
it
ma'am.
down. Then.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So these all 17 questions will solve. So first is log of sine of x square. What is derivative of log x? What is derivative of log function? Log of variable.
1 by x.
1
1 by
variable.
x.
Upon x.
Okay, okay. So here we have
1 by x.
so dy dx of log of sine of x square. Is it visible now, boys? Is it visible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Log of sine of x square derivative. So first derivative of log of sine of x square, getting derivative of f of x into sine of x square. Derivative of log of sine of x square, it is 1 upon sine of x square into derivative of sine of x square will be cos of d by dx of x square. It will be, now this cos upon sine will be cot. So it is cot of x square into derivative of x square is 2x. Getting? Any doubt in this, boys? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the next one. Next is e raised to sin x square. F of x is e raised to sin x square. So what is the derivative? Then d by dx of fx, d by dx of f of x is what? Boys, tell me fast. It is very easy example. Sin x square as it is into d by dx of sin of x. Function is as it is that for x that is linear form of x. Any trigonometric function also it can be. So its derivative we have to multiply. Okay. So here e raised to sin x square into derivative of into 2x. So what is the derivative of the function now? It is sin of x square. Getting? Any doubt in this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. Clear.
Third is sin of e raised to x square. F of x is sin of e raised to x square. Now tell me what is the derivative? What is derivative of sin? Derivative of sin?
Cos.
Cos, ma'am, cos.
Cos of e raised to x square. Should I write then? So d by dx of fx is cos of d by dx of e raised to x square. What is the derivative?
E raised to x square into 2x.
Yes, e raised to x square into 2x. So it is equals to 2x into e raised to x square into cos of e raised to x. So fourth one, x square plus x square. Fourth example, fx is x square plus x plus 1 to the power 4. So what is the derivative? What is the derivative? Use x raised to n form. What is the derivative of x square plus x plus 1 to the power 4? Abhijit, Atharva, Navneet,
Square.
Suraj,
Ma'am, I'm not
Ma'am, it's
able
not
to
visible,
see the-
ma'am. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
not visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ajinkya, what is derivative of x raised to n?
Nx n minus 1.
N into x raised to n minus 1. So can we apply this here? 4 into x square plus x plus 1 to the power 3 into derivative of x square plus x plus 1. Is it correct? What is the
Yes, ma'am.
derivative of the bracket?
Correct.
Then?
1.
Derivative of bracket derivative
2x plus 1.
2x
2x
plus
4 into 2x plus 1.
yes 4 into 2x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 to the power 3. Now in the fifth question, fx is root of x square plus x plus 1. Root x. What
Ma'am,
is the
2x
root of
plus
root x?
ma'am 2x
1 by
plus
2 root
1
x.
upon 2 root x square plus x plus 1.
2 root x square plus x plus 1. Yes. And derivative of bracket we have to multiply now. 2x plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
derivative of this function is d by dx of f of x is 1 upon 2 root, and if you are not right, to the power 1 by 2, and you can write there 1 by 2 1 by 2 by 1. Negative 1 by 2, so same it will come 1 by 2 x plus 1, same you will give. Okay, so here x square plus x plus 1. Any doubt? Any doubt, boys?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sixth example, sine cube x. Sine cube x. F of x is sine cube x. Now here composite function is sine to the bracket 3. So the first function is x raised to n, and first function fx is x raised to n, and the second function gx is sine x. Getting? Cubic function is there. Okay. So what is the derivative now? Arya, are you there, Arya? Ashutosh?
2 sin x into cos x.
No, sine raised to 3. 3 sine square x
3
into cos x,
into
no?
cos.
Yes?
3 sin x cos x. 3 sin square into cos.
Yes.
3 sin square x into cos square.
Yes. 3 sine square x into cos x, not cos square.
Cos x.
Cos x. Derivative of sine will be Farat ma'am. Farat ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, those have not joined their audio. Can we remove them?
Just ask them if they are present or not.
No, ma'am, they are not present. They have not joined their audio only. How they can listen us?
Ashutosh, na?
Shutosh, Arya Dharmatti, Mayank Deshpande.
We'll mark them absent now.
Okay. ठीक है. So derivative of this function will be 3 sin x.
Ma'am, I can't hear you properly, ma'am.
Abhijit is there? Or who is there? Am I not audible properly? Yes?
Now you are, ma'am.
Acha, Chaitanya Rokde is there?
Ma'am, board is also somewhat blur.
Okay. I will write.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please try to write a bit darker and bigger so it would be clear and this.
increase your font, madam.
Now, okay?
Correct.
Derivative is
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
sin x to the power 3 minus 1 into
नहीं
derivative of
थोड़ा गाँव महाराष्ट्र में एक स्कूल है हाँ
into derivative of sin x. It is cos x. So it is equals to 3 square x into cos x. Getting? Now it is clear?
Visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 7 question will take 7 question. 1 upon square root of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square. So now here 1 upon root function is there and in bracket a square minus x square is there. So what is the derivative? This root we can write a square minus x square bracket raised to minus 1 by 2 also we can write. So it will be f of x is a square minus x square raised to minus 1 by 2. So now we'll differentiate this d by dx minus 1 by 2 into a square minus x square minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into
Minus 3 by
what will be there?
into minus 2x.
Minus 2x. Yes, derivative of a square minus x square will be, derivative of a square will be 0 and derivative of minus x square is minus 2x. So multiplied with minus 2x. Now this minus 2 and minus sign also, minus into minus will be plus. So what will be there? X upon minus half minus 1 is
By 2.
Minus 3 by 2.
minus 3 by 2. So we'll write in the denominator. It will be this x as it is a square. So this is the derivative of getting. Any doubt in this question, boys?
Oh, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So now 8th question, log of sec x plus tan x. Log of sec x plus tan x. Okay, what is the derivative? d by dx of log of sec x plus tan x. What is the derivative? Yes, Chaitanya. What is derivative of log function?
Ma'am, 1 by x.
1 by x.
Yes. Where is Chaitanya? Chaitanya was there, no? Yes, Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am.
What is derivative of log
Yeah, ma'am.
function, beta?
1 by x, ma'am.
1 by x. So what will be the derivative of log of sec x plus tan x?
Ma'am, 1 by sec x plus tan x.
Yes. 1 by sec x plus tan x into what will be there?
Sec x.
Into derivative of sec x
plus
plus
tan
tan
x. Yes. Okay. Yes, Abhijit,
Yeah, ma'am.
what is derivative of sec x? Abhijit Chattan. Yes, Abhijit. Yes, yes. What is
Ma'am,
derivative
you are
of
not
sec x?
audible.
I am not audible.
No, ma'am.
What is derivative of sec x?
Ma'am, sec x plus tan x.
No.
Sec x tan x.
Sec x tan x.
Sec x into tan x. Yes. What is
Yes, ma'am. Sorry,
derivative of
ma'am.
tan x now?
Secant square x.
Secant square x. Okay. So here derivative of log of sec x plus tan x is equals to 1 upon sec x derivative of sec x plus tan x. Now in the next step we'll write the derivative for sec x plus tan x. Sec x plus tan x, 1 upon sec x plus tan x. Derivative of sec x is sec x. Here algebra of derivative we have used. Derivative will go inside. Sec x derivative is sec x into tan x. Tan x derivative will be. Now from both the terms can we take out sec function common? So it will be secant x in bracket, sec x plus tan x will be there, and we can cancel them, this bracket and this bracket. So in the next step it will be sec x upon sec x plus tan x into, in the bracket, tan x plus sec x. We know that addition is commutative. So in both remaining term it is sec x. So derivative of log of sec x plus tan x is only sec x. Getting? Any doubt in this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now by
No, ma'am.
example you can find the derivative of log of cosec x plus cot x also you can find. Cosec x minus cot x and you will get the standard form for this. Okay. So ninth one, e raised to yes boys. Utkarsh Khaire.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, ninth question, e raised to x sin x. E raised to x sin x.
Ma'am, you are not audible, ma'am.
Now, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. But your video is buffering in middle.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am, you are now audible, ma'am. But the board is blurred.
Network problem is there, I think.
Ma'am.
Yes. Now is it clear?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, ninth question is e raised to x sin x.
Thank you, ma'am.
E raised to x sin x into derivative of the expression which is the power of the exponential function. So derivative of e raised to x sin x as it is into derivative of x into sin x. Now what rule? Yes. So what is the derivative of x into sin x? Derivative of x into sin x.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you
x
are not
cos x
audible.
plus
Ma'am,
sin x.
your
X
voice is not
plus
clear, ma'am.
x cos x.
Shiva, am I audible
Ma'am,
to you?
sin x plus x cos
Yes,
x.
ma'am. Now you're audible.
Okay, okay.
Sin x plus x cos x.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am,
Sin x
sin x
plus
plus
x
x
cos
cos
x.
x.
Yes, sin x plus x cos x. Because here derivative of x will be 1. The first term constant derivative of sin x will
Product
be
rule.
cos x. Getting? So this is
Ma'am,
the derivative of e
video
raised to
and audio is buffering, ma'am.
members of x cube. So here x cube for x cube will be there. So x cube is square. So it is equal to and into d. So what is then? It is equal to square root of 1 minus x to the power 6. What is the derivative of x cube? Derivative of x cube?
3x square.
3x square.
Yes.
3x square.
dx square. So this is derivative of sine inverse of x cube. Similarly, you can find for remaining 5 inverse trigonometric function and you can take that x raised to any power you can take, or ax plus b linear form its power also. Am I audible, visible? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes.
here we have now completed 10 examples. Now we'll take the 11th one. Sine inverse of a plus sine inverse of a plus b cos x. Example. Derivative of sine inverse of a plus b cos x upon b plus a cos x, where b is greater than a. Now student, here inverse function is also there, and in the bracket again the function in the rational form it is given, so quotient rule also we have to use here for finding the derivative of this bracket. Getting? So what is the derivative then? Bracket 1 upon square root of 1 minus a plus b whole square. Is it correct? Is it correct? Suraj, Shiva, Navneet, Utkarsh,
It is correct.
Yes,
Correct,
ma'am.
ma'am. Correct.
Correct, ma'am.
multiplied with derivative of a plus b cos x upon b plus a cos x. Now tell me this derivative. What is the derivative? And this also you have to simplify. Simplify this also. So now in the square root, numerator square upon denominator square is there. So if we cross multiply, here also square b plus a cos x bracket square will be there, and this square is in the square root, so it will be cancelled, and denominator will be numerator, so it will be equal to b plus a cos x whole thing divided by square root of, now b plus a cos x, its square will be b square plus a square cos square x plus 2ab cos x minus b square cos square x minus 2ab cos x. Getting? So which terms will be cancelled here? 2ab cos x. We can take common. So, and here what is the derivative of this function? What is the derivative? Have you solved? So this will be second function constant b plus a cos x. Derivative of first function is minus b sin x minus first function constant a plus b cos x into derivative of second function minus a sin x and plus a cos x its square. Now here same bracket is here, so this bracket will cancel with this power 2 now, and then we'll finish with the this lecture. So minus b sin x inside, we have minus b square sin x minus ab sin x cos x minus minus plus a square sin x plus ab sin x cos x plus ab sin x cos x whole thing divided by b square minus a square plus cos square x in bracket a square minus b square. So we can write minus of a square minus b square. This we can write in the square root. It will be into one bracket b plus a cos x. Okay. What we are getting? What we are getting? This will get cancelled. A square minus b square. This we can take out. A square minus b square sin x. Now here in the bracket also a square minus b square we can take common. A square minus b square, and in bracket what will be there? Cos square x minus 1. And if you want, we can change the sign here. Cos square x minus 1. So we can write b square minus a square into 1 minus cos square x, also you can write into 1 upon b plus a cos x. So what we have? 1 upon square root of a square minus b square sin x. This will be square root of a square. Square root of minus 1 also will write this as it is. Minus 1 is there. We have taken common from this minus 1. It will be 1 minus cos square x will be sin square x. And in the root, this square root will be cancelled with its 1 by 2 power. So what will be there? Root will be there. If we cancel this, and then what is remaining? 1 upon b plus a cos x. Getting? Any doubt, boys? Sine inverse of a plus b cos x upon b plus a cos x is equal to this minus divided by b plus a cos x. Getting? Any doubt? Shiva, Suraj, Utkarsh, Chaitanya Rokde, Atharva Gatpande, Navneet.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear, clear.
Ma'am, complete. Complete, ma'am.
Thank you. Board was visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.